Can a court case be dismissed due to improper summons? Imagine waiting months for your day in court only to find out the case might be thrown out before it even begins. That's why understanding summons is so important. A summons is a legal document that tells someone they are part of a court case and explains what they need to do next. It's a key part of making sure everyone gets proper notice. Without proper notice, the court might not have the right to hear the case. To be valid, a summons must follow specific rules. It needs to include the court's name, the names of the parties involved, and details about the case. It also has to be signed and sealed by the court. The summons must be served to the defendant within a certain time, usually within 90 days after it is issued. If it's not done correctly, the summons could be invalid. There are different ways to serve a summons. The most common way is to give it directly to the person involved. Sometimes, it can be left with someone at their home or workplace if approved by the court. But if the summons is left in an improper way, like taped to a door without proper notice, it can be challenged. If the service is not proper, the defendant can ask the court to dismiss the case. They do this by filing a motion saying they were not properly notified. If the court agrees, the case can be thrown out. Sometimes, the case can be refiled if the mistake is fixed quickly. But if too much time passes, like if the statute of limitations runs out, the case might be dismissed permanently. The person who starts the case must prove they served the summons correctly. They do this with an affidavit or declaration showing when and how they served it. If this proof is missing or wrong, the court might invalidate the service. Courts usually give some time to fix mistakes, but if they are not corrected, the case can be dismissed. For those preparing for court, it's essential to check that the summons was served properly. Plaintiffs often hire professional process servers who know the rules. Defendants should carefully review the summons and make sure they received it correctly. If not, they should act quickly to file a motion to dismiss or raise the issue in their answer. In the end, improper summons service can lead to a case being dismissed because it breaks procedural rules meant to protect fair notice. Both sides need to understand how summons work and follow the rules closely to avoid delays or losing their case.